YK, E-Pod-D. Let's get 'em, Sean. Right here, this cliche rap shit. Backwards, gold chains to the fast whip. 3 drums in the back, that's a hat trick. Got the club going up, addict low key when I blow tree. Got OG and I roll 3. Slowly, you know me. I got the best road game, homie. Twisting and ripping these blunts. Swerving the whip, one hand, I don't really give a fuck. Squad in the cut, got lean in my cup, and I hit Louis G. Fifina, my bruh. It's me, Sean, sweet. Fuck do you mean? Chasing this cream and we keep it a bean. I'm optimistic when the pot is twisted. YB, man, I got a pot to piston, so I gotta thank God I'm breathing. Hit the blunt, so I'm cheesing. Sip the perp, so I'm eating. Even when I'm up, I'm dreaming, Kev.
I've been dreaming for someone like you to save me from this life that I call mine. Can you save me from
Yeah, perspective mob, you looking out as far as eyes do. See the horizon, we rising up like molecules with a bond. No time here, so I'm out and I'm gone. Was blown up by this one chick. Now we making moves and we staying groovy. Smoke the chronic, roll like Sonic, bright and shining and singing smoothly. Fell into the 5th dimension where the time is physical, very critical. You trapped inside this digital world. Go out and live. I always had a feeling that something gonna give. The illusion confusing is typical nuisance, but I think I know what the truth is. Do as you must to make yourself higher. Trail through the brush, creating a fire. Burn your path to earn your place. Look dead up in the face. They gonna hate, complain. I'm too close to step out of this lane. Proud of the change, proud of my family for keeping me sane. Proud of my tribe for holding down YK. Your moment is limited, the clock is melting away.
I've been